Hi, I'm Theo. I made a new 3D printable eye for my puppets, and this one is big enough so that a LED ring light can be put inside, and that is individually addressable, so I can control it via an app on a mobile phone or via the remote. The remote is a little bit limited. So the eye itself is printed with PLA. That's this part here, and there is an indent that is just big enough to put a piece of glass like this inside, and it is made so that it's clipping in and holding and not falling out by itself. And if you use a printed piece of paper, you can make the iris and pupil any color or image you want. And also a new innovation, the ring that holds the eye in the base plate is now printed with TPU, and it holds in by itself. It's following the curve of the eye in the inside, so it can be removed later, and that means the whole eye can be replaced. And I made the indent in two different sizes. This one here is 20 millimeters, and the bigger one here is 25 millimeters. That's it for now. Bye bye.